Hello people, welcome back to Pepperfield. We are back with another weekly video, some charts, some stocks that has the good potential to give a good breakout in the coming trading sessions. So without any delay, let's get started. The first stock is ITC. As we can see, it is following a trend line over the last 1 month, and the trend line has been tested many times. And over the last few weeks, it is forming a triangle pattern. And now it is about to give a breakout or a breakdown. The range we can look out for is from 210 to 215. Over the last couple of days, the range is so narrow, indicating that there will be a breakout or a breakdown in the coming trading sessions. So the range is from 210 to 215. Above the range, we can look for buying options, and sustaining below the range, we can look for selling opportunities. So you can add this stock to your watch list. Now let's see the next stock. Before that, if you are new to this channel, we post videos regarding indicators, strategies, charts, etc. that are helpful for investors as well as for traders. So support us by subscribing the channel. And the next stock is Hindustan Petrol. As we can see on the 1 hour time frame, over the last 1 month, the stock is respecting a trend line, and the trend line is being tested many times. And over the last 2 months, we can see the formation of a triangle pattern. And now over the last 2 days, there is a strong consolidation over the support range. And now we can look out for the range from 275 to 283. The range is 275 to 283. Above the range, we can look for buying opportunities, and below the range, we can look for selling opportunities. So add this stock to your watch list. It can give you good entry points. Now let's see the next stocks. The next stock is Glenmark Pharma. Again, we can see a triangle pattern and a strong consolidation over the last couple of days. The range we can look out for is from 600 to 615, 600 to 615. Above the range, we can look for buying options, and below the range, we can look for selling options. Over the last couple of days, we can see a strong consolidation, indicating that there will be a breakout or a breakdown in the coming trading sessions. So the range is 600 to 615. Now let's see the next chart. The next stock is JSW Energy. As we can see, it is already forming a triangle pattern, and now it's about to give a breakout or a breakdown. More than that, over the last couple of weeks, we can see that the price was moving in a narrow range, indicating that there will be a breakout or a breakdown in the coming days. So the range we can watch out for is from 115 to 119. Above the range, we can look for buying options, and below the range, we can look for shorting opportunities. So the range is 115 to 119. The next stock is Dabur India. Over the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the stock was respecting a triangle pattern for the last 2 months, and now it is on the very tip of the triangle, which is about to give a good breakout or a breakdown. This stock is good for day trading as well as for swing trading. The range for day traders is from 528 to 533, and the range for swing traders is from 528 to 540. So sustaining above the range, we can look for long opportunities, and sustaining below the range, we can look for shorting opportunities. So the range is for intraday trading, it is 528 to 533, and for swing trading, it is 528 to 540. And tracking the price, we can find good entry opportunities. The next stock is Lupin. As we can see, the formation of a flag pattern over the last 1 month, and now it's about to give a breakout or a breakdown. So again, this stock is also good for swing trading as well as for day trading. The range we can watch out for is from 1191 to 1215. Again, 1191 to 1215. Over the last 1 week, we can see that a strong consolidation within this range, indicating that there will be a good movement in the coming trading sessions. So definitely watch this stock, add this one to your watch list. Again, the range is from 1191 to 1215. The next stock is Orient Bell Limited. As we can see, again a triangle pattern, and the price is now on the very end tip, which is about to give a breakout or a breakdown. And over the last 1 week we can see a strong consolidation over a particular range, and the range we can look out for is from 270 to 277. Sustaining above the range we can look for buying opportunities, and sustaining below the range we can look for shorting opportunities. So the range we can look out for is from 270 to 277. Again 270 to 277. And now we have the last stock. The last stock is Biocon. Over the last 2 months, the stock was in a downward movement and it was respecting a trend line as a resistance. And now over the last 2 weeks, we can see a strong consolidation over a very narrow range. And the range we can look out for is from 380 to 388. Above the range we can look for buying options, and below the range we can look for selling options. Again, this stock is good for swing trading as well as for day trading. And the immediate target for shorting is at 370 to 372, which is a kind of immediate support below 380. So if you are looking for shorting opportunities, we should be aware of the support which is at 370 to 372. And if the trend line which is been respected over the last 2 months is being broken, then we can look for buying options, and the level is 388. Above the level we can look for buying options. So the range is from 380 to 388. That's all for this short video. Show your views in the comment section, and also please subscribe us. That's all. Thank you.